Contestant number 2, please pin the timer and confirm that you have done so.
Timer is pinned.
Your camera and mic is on. Are you ready?
Yes.
Wonderful. Let's try that again. Contestant number 2, Derrick Kimbrough. I'm ready for my close-up. I'm ready for my close-up, Derrick Kimbrough.
I'm ready for my close-up, take 2020. Mr. Contest Master, fellow Toastmasters and guests, yes, you can take 2020. In fact, let me take you back to March 17th, 2020. For most of us, it was a typical day doing typical things. Some of us were out hoarding household supplies. Yep, admit it, you know you were. I, on the other hand, was christened with the title of non-essential. Therefore, I was required to work from home. Ugh. Initially, that was slated for 2 weeks, then through spring break. The more I worked from home, the more I felt stranded and deserted. What was supposed to be a short period of time turned into what seemed like an LIFETIME, a lifetime. Ugh. Sort of made me feel like Gilligan. Some of you old schoolers know him. Gilligan from Gilligan's Island. If you remember the theme song, that journey was only supposed to be a 3-hour tour, a 3-hour tour. Too young to remember it? Google it. You've got time. Anyway, so I sort of felt like that, stranded. While we were required to stay at home and stay safe, there were moments where I never wanted to leave home again. Hey, I had food, TV, and of course, Toastmasters via Zoom. Home truly turned out to be home sweet home, and I was loving it. Hashtag Hermit 2020. The new normal Derrick was the exact opposite of the jovial, always helpful dude you knew prior to March 17th, 2020. After being in isolation, I was fine giving you a smile via Zoom and never walking out of my front door again. Weird. Somehow I had to snap out of it, find my way back to reality, get some real in my life. How could I do this? Better yet, why would I want to do this? Leave my home sweet home, my comfort zone, my humble abode? No, ma'am, no, sir, I don't think so. Maybe tomorrow. Have you ever had tomorrow on your to-do list? As far as I was concerned, getting some real or some reality in my life, that could wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow turned into tomorrow number 1, and tomorrow number 2, and tomorrow number 3, until finally the decision was made to deal with the now and not tomorrow. My now led me to dealing with the man in the mirror. That man in the mirror, that was me. You know, one thing about dealing with the man in the mirror is that I was forced to push myself open and look on the inside, kind of like my own self-operation. I analyzed and I asked myself, Derrick, how are you truly analyzing life? Eventually, I equipped myself with 4 aces in my pocket. These aces not only comfort me, but they carried me out my front door, and they continuously assist me in getting ready for my close-ups daily. First, there's the Ace of Hearts, which led me to accentuate and make things more prominent. If you know anything about me, I love to accentuate. 3 ways that I snatched back my life through accentuating are as follows. First, when the cell phone is out, it is selfie time. If you don't know, you better follow me on Instagram. I'm a sucker for a selfie. Second, hitting you with that smile. I like to call it my 5-second smile. Third, the eyes have it. A little smizing with the eyes never hurt anybody. Thank you, Tyra Banks. My second ace is the ace of clubs, which led me to reconnect and collaborate with others. The best way to reconnect and collaborate with others is through having accountability partners. Accountability partners are something that I found with my running clique and with Toastmasters. Thank you. My third ace is the ace of spades. This ace led me to digging deeper within by being empathetic with others as well as myself. I had to come to grips with my feelings. Isolation had taken a toll on me. I even sought out professional resources to assist me. Mental health matters. If needed, there's that fourth ace, the ace of diamonds. That's my diamond in the rough. That lifeline if I need it. Yes, carrying these aces in my pocket truly helped me get back to life, back to reality. A, C, E. A, accentuating the positive. C, collaborating with others. E, empathetic with others, especially myself. I found aces to put in my pocket to get back to life. What will you do? Not sure? Here's a formula to assist you. Reflect on who you are, live in the moment, and understand that retakes are a part of life. The show must go on. The question is, will you be a part of it? Me, I'm ready for my close-up. Are you ready, Mr. Contest Master?
Thank you, contestant number 2, Derrick Kimbrough. Dennis, please turn off your camera and your microphone at this time. Fellow Toastmasters, I've made a mistake. The contestant number 2's name is Derrick Kimbrough. Derrick Kimbrough. I like living in Illinois and I don't want the whole Wayo nation to come after me. So his name is Derrick Kimbrough. Please forgive me.